Okay, so to continue our lesson about vectors. So these are the properties that we need to remember. The addition, and we have scalar multiples of vectors. So we have, in addition, we have the a plus b is equals to b plus a. So we have the commutative, associative, and distributive properties. So we have a plus, we have b plus c equals to, we have a plus b plus c, and then we have a plus 0 equals to a, and a minus, or we have plus negative a is equals to 0. We have m times, we have a plus b is equals to ma plus mb, and then we have m plus n times a, we will have now as ma plus na, and then we have m n times a, we have m times, we have n a, or equals to n times m a. And then after that, we have 1 times a is equals to a, and then 0 times a is equals to, we have 0. Okay, so these are the properties that we need to remember in we have solving the vectors. Okay, let's do some examples. Okay, for example, we have the given values are, or point A is unknown, and then we are looking where the given are b is equals to, we have 5 and 3, and the vector is in, we have negative 3i plus 4j. How will we solve our equation, or how will we solve the point A? Where is the other point? So using our formula for vector, vector is equals to x sub 2 minus x1 I plus, we have y sub 2 minus y sub 1 j. So given we have negative 3i plus 4j, that is our vector, okay, equals to, this one is our, we are looking for x1 and y1, so therefore this will be our x2, so 5 minus x sub 1 I plus, we have 3 minus y1 j. So therefore we have to equate the equation now. This one is our I, this one is our j, so therefore we have to separate the two of them. So therefore we have negative 3 equals to 5 minus x sub 1. So we have to add both sides by, we have negative 5. So therefore we will have negative 8 equals to negative x1. So our x sub 1 now is equals to positive 8. And then the other one, j represents 4 here, right? So they have the value of y. So therefore we have 4 equals to, we have 3 minus y sub 1. So we minus both sides by 3, so therefore this one is equals to negative y sub 1. So therefore our y now is equals to, we have negative 1. So our point A now here is equals to 8 and negative 1. Got it? Okay. Okay, another example. For example, point A is in, we have 1 and positive 3. And then given the vector is in, we have, or the vector is 4i and then plus 2j. Okay, so where is point B? So we're looking now for point B. So from here, let's try to do a graph. Okay, so in graphing, so it says that point A is in 1 and 3. So the point A is in positive 1 and positive 3. So this one is point A. So it says that here the vector is 4i plus 2j. So therefore it will move 4 to the right, because it is positive. So therefore it will goes to, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So therefore it will move by 4 over here. And then 2 positive up, so therefore it will go up by 2. So therefore this one will be going up by 2. So this one is, we have 4i and 2j. So what point is this one? So we have 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one, the x value is 5. And then we have 3 plus 2. So therefore this one now will become 5 as well. So what you observe that we have only to do 4 plus 1, we get 5 for x, and then j, 3 plus 2. So therefore the point B now is in 5 and 5. Okay, got it? Okay, so the vector units to find B, so you just add, or where it will travel. Okay, so 4i, so therefore it will travel to the right because it's positive, and 2j, it will travel, or it will go up by 2 units. Okay, next example. Okay, for scalar we have multiple vectors. So we have, remember, we have properties m times a1 and a2, or point 1 and point 2. So therefore it will be m a sub 1 and m a sub 2. So for example, given that 2 times, we have negative 3 and 4. So therefore you just distribute the given value of m to the values of a1 and a2. So therefore this one now will be negative 6 and we have positive 8. Okay, so what you do in multiplication, so you just do the distributive property of multiplication. For example, we have negative 2 and then the points are negative 3 and 6. So therefore you just do the multiplication. So therefore we will have now as positive 6 and negative 12. So this is our new points over here. So what you're gonna do only is you have to distribute. Okay, for example, in addition as well. Okay, so in addition of a vector, so you just only add, we have a, so the vector given a1 and a2, plus we have b1 and b2. Okay, so therefore we will have now a sub 1 plus b sub 1, or we have in our ordered pair, we have x sub 1 and y sub 1, right? And then we have now plus b, or a sub 2 plus b sub 2. Okay, example. Given that the vectors are, or the points are, we have 3 and negative, we have 4. Plus, we have 2 and 7. Okay, so therefore we have 3 and 2. So we get now 5 and negative 4 plus 7. So therefore we will have now positive, we have 3. Okay, so in addition, multiplication, and also in we have subtraction. In subtractions as well, the same as we have addition. Okay, so a sub 1, a sub 2 plus, or we have minus, okay, minus b sub 1, b sub 2. So you will just only a sub 1 minus b sub 1 minus we have a sub 2 minus b sub 2. Okay, so if you have more further questions and you have more clarification, don't hesitate to send a message, or you can, we have comment in our videos. Okay, so this is all for this time. So see you again on our next We Have videos. Thank you.